No, I'm sorry, I haven't. I'm in conference.
Mr. Sharkey, what happened in today's anomalies conference?
The judge has agreed that there is an arguable case in terms of the guidelines, and the matter will be referred to the same full bench that was hearing the award applications at the time of the adjournment.
On what grounds is it to be seen as an anomaly?
The argument put forward by the ACDU and agreed to by the judge was that it was several-fold, but it includes the peculiar circumstances that surround the building industry, and particularly the unique and somewhat radical overall package that was negotiated, including a package that will bring about stability in the building industry.
Right. What grounds did the employers put up for opposing
the usual one about fear of flow. Those matters have been dealt with by the ACDU. In fact, at the last Congress, there were guidelines adopted, or agreed to rather, by the trade union movement, which satisfy or should satisfy the Commission. They've satisfied the Australian government, and the government, I might say, also supported the ACDU's application that the matter, in fact, be dealt with in the way that the judge finally decided.
Do you think there's any danger that this agreement will be seen as just a vehicle for getting building workers a wage rise?
I don't think so. The facts are that this agreement has been negotiated over a long period of time. It's been a very complex and frustrating period. In fact, the negotiations commenced as far back as October of last year. I don't see that there's any validity for that sort of an argument at all.
But some people would say that the workers are already getting a 4.3% rise. Why should they get up to $20 a week more in allowances?
Yes, some people are arguing that, for instance, a number of major employer organisations this morning argued against the building industry awards were made in November 1981. The first were established.
Well, when the rest of the country was subject to a wage freeze then as well, what would you say to the people who argue the reason the building agreement's gone ahead is because the building unions have more industrial?